If you're tired of battling overgrown weeds and brush in your yard, you're definitely not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Husqvarna 122LK. The Husqvarna 122LK Gas trimmer caught my eye right away with its bright orange and gray design, and at $199.99, it's priced competitively for what it offers. If you want a reliable, multi-purpose tool that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer features a 22cc engine that delivers impressive power, making yard work less of a chore. The 17-inch cutting width means you can cover more ground quickly, so whether you're tackling thick grass or stubborn weeds, you're not wasting time. The Top & Go T25 head is a real lifesaver too. It allows for easy line feeding. Just tap it on the ground and you're back to cutting without interruption. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The efficient design means less hassle and more time enjoying your yard. The Smart Start technology is another highlight, designed for minimal effort when starting the engine. You'll appreciate this feature when you're in a hurry or dealing with morning dew on the grass. Even though it's lightweight at just 10.58 pounds, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit underpowered for tougher jobs. Now, some people complained about the engine stalling under heavy load. Here's the thing though, as long as you use it within its limits, it performs well and doesn't require excessive strength to maneuver. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized yard and want a dependable trimmer that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you have heavy brush or need something for professional use, as it may not be robust enough for those tasks. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if the Husqvarna's reach and power were concerns for you, the next option might change your mind completely. Product number 2, GX35 Weed Eater from Chikura, priced at $295. Honestly, the versatility of this machine really stood out to me, especially with its 7-in-1 capabilities. If you're looking for a tool that can tackle various jobs without needing multiple devices, this one's worth considering. This model features a 4-stroke engine that offers smoother operation and less environmental impact. The extended reach of up to 68 inches means you can prune high branches without the risk of climbing a ladder. This really matters for anyone who's done a little sketchy leaning on a ladder to reach those tough spots. Plus, the easy starting system is a plus for those who dread the hassle of pulling cords multiple times. As for user reviews, this one has already gained traction with over 300 units sold in the past month. However, I will say that some buyers have mentioned it can be a bit cumbersome if you're not used to handling heavier equipment. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it becomes much easier and is a small price to pay for the functionality you gain. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of different yard tasks to handle and want something that can adapt to those needs. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-lightweight option or if you're a beginner who might struggle with assembly. For the flexibility it offers, the price is reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling heavier jobs.
Product number 3, the GX50 Brush Cutter. The GX50 Brush Cutter, also from Chikura, comes next at $290. Honestly, the 7-in-1 functionality really impressed me. It's like having several tools in one. If you need a multi-purpose trimmer that can handle everything from light trimming to tougher brush clearing, this one's a solid contender. The 4-stroke engine provides a consistent power level, and with a weight of 28 pounds, you still maintain decent portability. The 5-inch cutting width might seem small, but it's designed for precision work, allowing you to maneuver easily in tight spaces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're dealing with overgrown areas or heavy brush, this trimmer can cut through it efficiently without you having to exert too much energy. However, do keep in mind that some users have pointed out that the assembly can be a hassle and it might take some time to get it right. Some people complained about the weight, especially during prolonged use. Here's the thing though, once you get used to the weight distribution, it becomes quite manageable and the performance outweighs the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have various yard tasks and need a reliable tool that can transition between jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-light or solely for basic yard maintenance. For its capabilities, I think it offers good value. Now, if you're looking for something that packs even more power, wait until you hear about this next product.
Product number 4, 10-in-1 Backpack GX50. The 10-in-1 Backpack GX50 is a real powerhouse. Honestly, the fact that it can convert to different tools so easily is a huge draw. If you want a total yard work solution, this one deserves your attention. This model features a 4-stroke engine and offers 10 different functionalities, including a pole saw and hedge trimmer. The speed of 7,000 RPM ensures that you're cutting efficiently, and the 5-foot pruning reach means you can tackle high branches without the need for a ladder. This matters for anyone who has trees or shrubs that need regular maintenance. Plus, the ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions in the yard. So for those heavy-duty tasks, this machine really shines. However, some folks have commented on its weight, which is about 35 pounds. Some people complained about it being a bit unwieldy for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a tool that can effectively replace several others, the weight is a trade-off for the versatility and power you gain. This is perfect for you if you have a large yard or property that requires multiple tools for upkeep. Skip this one if you're only managing a small garden and need something lightweight or easy to maneuver. Given its multi-tool functionality, the investment seems justified. Now, if the weight of the last one turned you off, the final product might strike the right balance between power and ease of use.
Product number 5, Ivovi 4-in-1 Brush Cutter, priced at $199.99. This one genuinely surprised me with its combination of power and versatility. If you're looking for a heavy-duty option that can handle various cutting tasks, this is worth your time. The 52cc 2-stroke engine delivers an impressive 7,500 RPM and an 18-inch cutting width, making it suitable for clearing dense overgrowth with ease. The included dual-line head, metal blade, and additional attachments mean you can switch tasks without needing multiple tools. This matters if you want to maintain a large property efficiently. Plus, the frustration-free starting system means you won't waste time pulling a stubborn cord. However, some users have shared concerns about the weight distribution, which can be a bit awkward during longer sessions. Now, some people complained that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you'll appreciate how well this tool performs for heavier jobs. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful, all-in-one tool for maintaining larger properties. Skip this one if you're a beginner or looking for something lightweight for simple yard tasks. At this price point, it packs impressive value for what you get. Alright, let's wrap this up and see which of these is truly the best option for your needs.
To recap, we've seen some serious contenders in the gas-powered brush cutter market. The Husqvarna 122LK is great for general use, but if you need versatility, the GX35 is a solid pick. The GX50 offers precision, while the 10-in-1 Backpack GX50 is perfect for comprehensive yard work. Lastly, the Ivovi 4-in-1 is a powerful option for heavy-duty tasks.